You want to draw lips. I hear you. I know drawing lips can feel tricky. They seem simple until you try to draw them, and suddenly it's like, wait, what even are lips? But don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'm gonna break it down step by step, and we will keep it super beginner friendly. I will show you how to sketch lips from different angles, how to shade and render them, and even how to keep it really simple. There are some common poses when it comes to lips, but let's start with the basics. The most simple shape you can think of is a straight up. It's gonna look something like that. First, you make that upper curve and then another bigger curve underneath, just like that. Then add the bottom of the lips. From the three-quarter view, it's kinda similar. Same idea, curve on top, curve underneath, but you gotta keep perspective in mind. The part closer to you is gonna look bigger, wider. The part farther away, smaller. It's the same concept, just tilted. Now here is a side view. It's a little different. The steps are basically the same, but it's not as curvy. Still, not that hard. Just draw a soft curve like this, and boom, you have got your first sketch. Now, don't go crazy trying to draw every little line. This is just a reference, something to help you understand the shape. You're not sculpting. Once the sketch is done, let's move on to some basic rendering. Step 1. Grab your lasso tool or selection tool, whatever your program calls it, and select the shape of the mouse. Then fill it with a solid color. Easy. After that, start blending the edges of the lips into the surrounding skin. Keep it soft, don't overdo it, you are just trying to smooth it out. Now, grab a sketch pencil or a more defined brush and draw that line between the lips. Focus on the corners and where the lips meet. Those little angles matter. Next, I use an overlay brush to add depth. I pick a brighter color and add some variation. Make the lips pop a little more. Then I blend the corners again just to keep it soft and smooth. Now, here is where the details come in. You want to use a small, detailed brush to add some texture. Little reflections, small strokes, tiny highlights. It gives the lips more realism, more life. You can also use a soft blending brush to smooth things out again and make it feel more natural. Now, if all of this feels like too much, don't worry, I've got a beginner version too. Same sketch, step 1 again. I started with the lasso tool. Then I grabbed an airbrush and laid down the base color. Super simple. After that, I used a lighter color at the top and the bottom edge to highlight the lips. Then I switched it to a darker tool and added some shading right along the line where the lips meet. With a more defined brush, I added a bit more depth to that middle line and some tiny details. Then I blended the corners again, nice and soft, still using the same brush. And that's it. 2 approaches, one more detailed, one super beginner friendly. Don't stress about being perfect. Just follow the steps, and with a little practice, you will get more confident. Try both versions and see which one feels right for you. Alright, have fun drawing, and don't forget to like that video, and I will catch you in the next one.